Hello, it's Kevin here, time for another video. So on to introduction number 52 of our 101 introductions. So, as you may know, or possibly not, we're searching the internet for new topics for IELTS essays. I write a sample essay and we invite from our members on Telegram, IELTS 9 Pro, to contribute some writings for review and commentary. So for today we've got a complete essay to have a look at and a number of introductions. So we'll take a look at mine first. Some scientists believe in the future computers will be more intelligent than human beings, while some see this as a positive development, others will be back with negative consequences. Discuss both views, give your opinion. So you've got some paraphrase stuff here. It has been argued by, blah, 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 blah. Here's your thesis, here's the introduction, and we'll just get straight into the essay. So, I won't read it all out word for word. I'll put it on the screen and you can take a look at it. So, introduction. It has been argued by some scientists that computers will surpass human intelligence in the future. While this could bring significant benefits, I believe it is a dangerous development if not properly controlled, as it may lead to job losses and serious security risks. Okay, now this is specifically talking about stuff like artificial intelligence. Computers will be more intelligent than human beings. Why that's important, when we see the sample essay that one of the students did, you will see why. So, main idea, AI surpassing human intelligence can lead to progress. What progress? Healthcare, like diagnosing cancer, etc. In manufacturing, such as Tesla, etc. So there you go. There's a couple of good examples there. However, I believe that over-reliance could create more problems in terms of employment and human skills. Next paragraph, the risks are significant. One major concern is mass unemployment, especially self-driving cars, taxis, etc. Millions of jobs. This is kind of like in the Terminator film. If you've seen Terminator 3, where Skynet, artificial intelligence, is given control of America's nuclear weapons, and it immediately launches a nuclear strike against the Soviet Union. So that's kind of what I was thinking about there, and also ethical concerns and so on. And in conclusion, blah 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 blah. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to read it out word for word. Put it all on the screen. That's only 308 words. I'll put it on the screen, and you can pause this if you want, and you can have a read of the whole thing. If I can get it all on the screen, get on that screen. Okay, there we go. So you can pause that and read it at your convenience. Now the student essay, they missed the point entirely. Missed the point entirely. I'm not saying I could do better in whatever their language is, but this misses the point entirely. What do I mean? Well, so first thing, to substitute means to replace one thing with another thing, but it doesn't say that. It says they will be more, so will surpass, as in be more than. So that's the first thing. That the advent of computers, well, it's not simply computers, it's intelligent computers. Now, paragraph 2 misses the point exactly. Right? So, in other people, computers may do a wide range of physical work. Okay, what's that got to do with intelligence? You've got robots working in car factories. They're not artificially intelligent, they're just robots that do a repetitive series of tasks. Nothing to do with intelligence. They do a wide range of human jobs a lot faster. Nothing to do with computers being more intelligent, because it says will be more. In the future, they will be more intelligent than us. That's what it's talking about. Doesn't mention that. So technological advancements, artificial intelligence make people lazy. How? How does more intelligent computers make people lazy? And then you've got this ridiculous example that doesn't prove anything. For example, people in Azerbaijan spend a lot of time in front of computers. Does it matter if they're more intelligent than us? What's that got to do with the topic? Again, so what's that, so fat Azeris spending all day in front of the computer, what's that got to do with computers being more intelligent than humans in the future and what the consequences of that are? So, irrelevant. Next paragraph, irrelevant. Nothing to do with the topic. Again, modern computers, cutting edge computers, so allow you to write high quality papers. Well, what does that mean? Are you talking about word processors? Are you talking about getting information that you would get out of books and journals? So I'm not sure what that's got to do with the topic. Innovative computers also at work. Again, working remotely, COVID-19. What's that got to do with the topic? Nothing. So, task response score would not be high in this essay. Now, these introductions are good, but it is scientifically argued. That's not the same as argued by scientists. To argue scientifically means something else. So, artificial intelligence will surpass, others consider it a benefit. Okay, so that's good. Oh, yeah, I mean, we only had kind of 3. I don't know why, but these 3 introductions work fine. Okay, paraphrase a topic, answer a question. Paraphrase a topic, answer a question. Paraphrase a topic, answer a question. Okay, it's just that essay missed the point entirely. So even if English were perfect and the grammar was excellent as well, it's just off topic. It's not addressing the topic. The actual question is, if computers are more intelligent than human beings in the future, what does that mean? Is it a good thing? But how exactly, having more hyper-intelligent computers than humans? And what would be the negative impact of hyper-intelligent computers more intelligent than humans? So that's what the topic is. Okay, so I'll just leave that there on the screen. You can have a look at it. A tricky topic for sure. Anyway, hope that helps. We'll see you for the next one. Introduction 53. That should be coming maybe next week now. Anyway, hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.